Did you know that arroz con gandules is Puerto Rico's national dish along with roasted pork? And my producer, aka my wife, says that the roasted pork in Puerto Rico, they call it pernil. And I don't want to argue with her. I think even though she's Cuban and I'm Puerto Rican, you're right, dear. She nailed it on the head with that roasted pork. Pernil. That's right. And that's Puerto Rico's national dish. Arroz con gandules, also known as pigeon peas, right? Rice with pigeon peas, basically, green. The main components of arroz con gandules is rice and pigeon peas. And I had the opportunity, the special treat that I had no idea how to make it. I know how to eat it and I love it. It tastes delicious. And I always wanted to learn. And so I had the opportunity to go over to my mom's house, and she kind of directed me and showed me how to make arroz con gandules. So that's what we've got on today's episode. Thank you for watching and stay tuned as we make arroz con gandules. Let's go. All right, so the first portion, I recorded it on a time lapse, so I'm doing the voiceover for it. So here's what you're gonna need. 2 cans of gandules verdes, aka green pigeon peas. And we're also using a half a can of salsa de tomate, aka tomato sauce. And then 1.5 packets or 2 packets of sazon Goya. And Mimi's homemade sofrito. Episode on how to make that coming up soon. So we set the stove on high, we drizzle the oil, we add 3 serving spoons of the sofrito, and then we add half a can of the salsa de tomate. The olives, we used 8, but recommend 10 to 12 olives. Then we add the 2 cans of gandules verdes, and we're gonna add water. 2 cans of water. Since we're using 2 cans of gandules, we're adding 2 cans of water. Add 1.5 packets to 2 packets of sazon, and then we stir that, taste it for flavor, and then we heat it to a boil. And then we add the rice. 3 cups. You could add 2 to 3 cups of rice. We used 3 cups. Stir it, set it on medium, put the lid on it, and once it starts to steam, then we will bring it down to low for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now we want to take a look. We're going to do the reveal. See what we have here. Oh my goodness, there it is. All right, arroz con gandules. Woo! It's not done yet. Okay. So now we're gonna stir it up.
I'll do it for you. But what we want to do is this, so that it finishes cooking.
Yeah, because it's still very.
On the sides, right?
What's the word? Moist, wet.
Yes, it's still moist and it has to dry up.
Yeah.
So.
But it's looking like a good arroz con gandules right there, and as you can see.
There you go. We're gonna cover it again.
Great. 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 minutes on low, you stir it around the edges, right? And then you put the lid back on it, keep it on low for another 10, 15 more minutes. And I'm hungry, so I can't wait to eat. All right, so it's been a good amount of time. It's been over 10 minutes now that it's been on low. And so let's take a look and see.
Okay, take a look and see.
All right. What do you think?
Put it there. Okay, you can
Does it look a little?
Taste it and see if the rice is cooked. But it's hot, so.
I'm just. It looks kind of ready.
Okay.
Is that too much?
It looks so good.
Make sure the rice is cooked.
Blow it.
It's steaming. I don't know if you can see that. The steam there. Can't believe my mom just told me to blow it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna.
Because it's hot.
I'm gonna blow it.
Blow it. You see, Selena, when you mix it?
It looks good. Is it good now?
No, I think it made un poquito de pegado.
I love it. Let the expert.
You were the one who made it, so I don't know. Even though they were my instructions, right?
It's your recipe. Not bad for my first time, right?
Not bad for your first time.
Thank you for watching. That was a lot of fun. I don't, you didn't really see me sitting down and eating it, but it was pretty delicious. The side note was that it probably needed a little bit more olives, and that could have helped out with the, it tasted like it needed a little bit of salt, a little bit more salt. So I think if we would have added a little bit more olives, that may have taken care of that. Otherwise, the dish was like, mwah, perfect. So thank you for watching, and be on the lookout for more content coming your way. And if nobody told you today, I love you. Hope you have an amazing day. Feel free to smash the like button, come back, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode. Peace.